Noah Lyles has reiterated his claim to the title of fastest man alive, a label given to the winners of the 100 meters at the World Championships. In a recent social media post, Lyles clarified, "I won the men's 100 meters at the 2023 World Championships, and Sha'Carri won the women's. This is simply how the title is determined. If another male or female wins the 100 meters at this year's World Championships, they will assume the title." He emphasized that this designation is not intended to disrespect past records or current season times, but reflects the honor bestowed annually on World Championship winners. However, this raises an interesting debate. Elaine Thompson-Herah was given the title of fastest woman alive after running 10.54 seconds at the Prefontaine Classic in 2021. This event was not a major championship like the World Championships or the Olympics, but she was still recognized for her record-setting time. This suggests that the title often goes to the person with the fastest recorded time, not just the championship winner. If we define fastest man alive by the fastest recorded time in the current season, then Jamaican sprinter Keishan Thompson, with his remarkable 9.77 seconds, holds that distinction. Lyles' lifetime best of 9.81 seconds, achieved at the London Diamond League, ranks him third globally this season, behind Thompson and Kenya's Ferdinand Omanyala, who posted a 9.79 second finish. Stay in your lane.